Welcome this video titled Transforming Your Backyard with an underground pool can look inground. Introducing when if it come to backyard leisure and recreatable swimming pool have also been symbolic of relax, fun and luck. Wide in-ground swimming pools are often considered cold, starting, then come with a significant price tag and a long bloom installing process. However, then a fantastic upload natural for those seen that look and feel of an in-ground swimming pool without the excess cost and effort. Our ground pool then look in ground. We will expel the world of our ground pool that can seamless blunder into your backyard landscape and provide in an underground swimming pool excellent. The appear of in-ground pool have long been the approval of much house owners. Those sleep elegant appearing and then away that seamless magnetic with the landscape mark theme a strange add to then backyard. However, the benefit of in-ground pool are often outdoorsed by the significant cost and then main interest. In-ground pool required continuous main interest and can be cost of record if income area. Above ground pool as an alternate. Upper ground pool have can a long away from those embedded being as temporary infertile model upper ground pool are designed to often the best appear of in-ground pool outdoor. The high cost and time cost left explored some of the benefit and other of an upper ground pool then look in ground. Quick installing upper ground pool can be installing in a master of day less than week of mother. This means you can enjoy your pool not create an in-ground look with your upper ground pool to transforming your upper ground pool into a in-ground look like your need of consider vertical design element and landscaped brain. Here are these spot of follow pool shape and size. Choose an upper ground pool with a shape and size diamond in ground design. Regulate or over pool are popular choice of architect. The in-ground look illuminate that the size of the pool sub your available space and design using.